Research shows that garlic can combat sickness, including the common cold. If you often catch colds, adding more garlic to your diet could be incredibly beneficial. Studies have shown that a high dose of garlic extract can reduce the number of days you are sick with cold or flu by a whopping 61%. As if that wasn't enough, garlic can also help reduce total and LDL cholesterol. If your cholesterol levels are a concern, garlic supplements have been shown to reduce total and/or LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Remember, maintaining good cholesterol levels is crucial for heart health, so don't underestimate the power of this fantastic bulb. And for those of you worried about blood pressure, garlic has something for you too. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the biggest drivers of cardiovascular diseases. Well, the good news is, garlic supplements have been found to have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. In more recent times, research continues to uncover the power of this humble ingredient. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, scientists discovered that aged garlic extract may help increase the diversity of gut bacteria, which is increasingly linked to overall health. Garlic also helps in detoxifying the body. It contains sulfur compounds that help activate liver enzymes responsible for expelling toxins from the body. So, adding garlic to your meals can be a step towards a cleaner, healthier system. Welcome back to Very Okay. Today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the most exciting ingredients in your kitchen, garlic. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Sharing is caring, so be sure to send this video to all your friends who could use a little more flavor and health in their lives. Now, let's start the journey of unearthing the secrets of garlic. This humble bulb, known scientifically as Allium sativum, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It is a powerhouse of essential nutrients like vitamins C and B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber. Even Hippocrates, often referred to as the father of Western medicine, would regularly prescribe garlic to treat a variety of medical conditions. Now you might think, that's ancient history. What about now? Well, you're in for a surprise because modern science has recently confirmed many of these health benefits. There's a compelling body of research from prestigious institutions like the National Institutes of Health that backs up the medicinal magic of garlic. Let's not forget about the antioxidants in garlic that protect against cell damage and aging. These can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process, but garlic, rich in antioxidants, combats this oxidative damage. Beyond its health benefits, garlic is a star performer in the kitchen. Its unique flavor enhances many of our favorite dishes, adding that extra zing that elevates a meal from good to extraordinary. Be it a simple pasta or a complex stew, garlic is the perfect addition. Did you know that the way you prepare garlic can influence its health benefits? Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit before cooking can enhance its health-promoting properties. It allows the formation of allicin, a compound renowned for its health benefits, including fighting infections and inflammation. Garlic doesn't just work alone, it's a team player. Pairing garlic with honey, for example, can boost its benefits. Raw honey, similar to garlic, is packed with health benefits, such as being a natural antioxidant and containing numerous vitamins and minerals. A combination of garlic and honey taken on an empty stomach can boost your immunity and keep you healthy. Tea lovers will be thrilled to know that garlic tea is a thing. A concoction of garlic steeped in hot water might not be your everyday tea, but it's worth trying for its myriad of health benefits, including soothing a sore throat and clearing nasal congestion. If you're looking for ways to incorporate garlic into your diet, garlic toast is a delicious and simple option. All you need is some fresh bread, a clove of garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt. Toast the bread to your liking. Rub a clove of garlic over the warm toast, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with salt. Voila! You've made yourself a tasty snack that also packs a health punch. Or why not try garlic-infused oil? It's a great way to add flavor to your dishes, and it's incredibly simple to make. Place a cup of peeled garlic cloves in a saucepan, cover with olive oil, and simmer on low heat for about 45 minutes until the cloves are golden and soft. You can use this aromatic oil in salad dressings, for cooking, or even as a bread dip. On the other hand, while garlic is a powerful ally in our quest for health, it's essential to remember that, like anything else, it should be consumed in moderation. Eating too much garlic, especially on an empty stomach, can cause gastrointestinal issues, such as heartburn, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Moreover, due to its blood-thinning properties, consuming excess garlic may also interfere with the effectiveness of certain medications, including blood thinners and birth control pills. So, while garlic is generally safe to consume in regular food amounts, it's recommended to consult your healthcare provider before taking garlic supplements, or consuming it in large amounts if you're on any medication. Garlic may also cause bad breath and body odor, which, while not harmful, can be inconvenient in social situations. Brushing your teeth or chewing on mint or parsley after consuming garlic can help with this. Now, the question arises, what happens if you eat garlic every day? Regular garlic consumption can help boost your immune system, improve cardiovascular health, and might even reduce the risk of certain cancers. It can also aid in detoxification as it has properties that can protect the liver from toxic damage. It's clear that a little bit of garlic a day can potentially go a long way. Whether you're an avid cook looking to enhance your dishes or someone interested in natural health remedies, it's clear that garlic has something to offer everyone. Its extraordinary health benefits combined with its culinary versatility truly make garlic a must-have in your kitchen. Remember, while garlic can provide many health benefits, it's not a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider for medical advice. We hope that you found this additional information about garlic helpful. If you've enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Very Okay, where we bring you insights into foods that not only taste good but also make you feel good. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep experimenting with the amazing world of food. Thanks for watching. Very Okay.